Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, it's Friday. Hope everybody watched the video yesterday where we got all these pieces together and I showed you what I had going on. Got them tacked up. So let's burn some wire today. Same deal as yesterday. Got the door down again. Poor man's door, so if you hear it flapping in the wind, I apologize. One thing I did want to throw in there before we start this video, if you guys would rather see the welding and fabrication part in high speed, please let me know in the comments, or if you'd rather watch it in regular time. There's so much fab work to do around here. It seems like every time I turn around there's something to weld or make or whatever, so there is going to be a lot of that on the channel. Just got my curiosity up which way's which. I'm going to try to split it up today, give you a good comparison. I know you watched some of it before if you watched the past videos, but we'll get a little bit of it in high speed, time lapse rather, and we'll get some of it in regular time. I just don't want you to have to sit there and watch me weld for 10 or 15 minutes. So if you don't mind, if you're watching the video, just drop it down in the comments and let me know what works best, because there's plenty more projects to come. There's going to be a lot of cutting and welding and fabrication, so just let me know what you guys think. Alright, let's get the welder fired up and see what we can do. Be right back. Okay, I think we'll start out with a couple of two top root passes to begin with and see what happens there, and then we might lay it down on the floor so I can get better angles on everything. I don't want to get in the whole debate about welding uphill or downhill. It's a farm shop, so bring you along for a little bit of this. Okay, first two root passes in there. in there. We'll turn the camera off for a minute and see if I can beat that over a little bit, and while it's still hot, see what we can come up with. Bring it back in just a minute. Okay, well there it is. I'm not proud of that at all. I had all kinds of trouble. It's getting hard for me to get down on the ground and weld. My hands are shaky. I got slack with the grinder, so I'm not going to get a close-up of that, but it's on there. It's a little tight. It did pull. It's got a couple hard spots in it, but it won't take any time to wear that off, so wasn't as bad as what I anticipated. I don't know if you saw in the high speed where I got the grinder, I got porosity in it. If any of you guys that weld know what I'm talking about. I was just slack with the grinder. I didn't get the rust off, and the gas didn't shield like it was supposed to, and it gets little pinholes in it, and you have to grind the weld completely back out. If you just try to weld over top of it, it'll just do the same thing. So hodgepodge kind of welding this time, but I got the tops bent over pretty good, both sides. Had to fill up some holes here and here and here. That's the reason it looks like a blob there, which all of it really looks like a blob. But it'll work. So one hitch completed for the new disc. All I've got to do now is drill the holes for the pin or get a bolt, one of the two. I'll just have to wait and see. I got to put the calipers on the bolt and see what the tolerance is. It could stand to be just a touch smaller, so it'll go in and out easier. But all in all, not too bad. Didn't draw up as bad as what I thought. I think when I went to bend these over, that's a 1/4 inch plate, but I think it kind of egg-shaped the holes. I should have just, not egg-shaped the holes, but it distorted them, I guess you should say. I should have left the pin in it with a hitch on it while I did that, but I couldn't really get a good swing on it. Hate you missed that too. I dropped it. I don't know if you'll be able to tell that in the high speed. Bent my hydraulic holder. I'll tell you, it's just been an afternoon. So I think with all that, we'll just wrap this one up. That's it. Once I get the tires and wheels finished and the wheel bearings checked, we'll get this back on. Put the hoses on the cylinder. Might do that tomorrow, Saturday. I'm not sure if I'm going to work on the truck or try to work on this disc or what. I need to go and get the truck done, but we'll see. So I apologize. I said in the beginning of this video, let me know about the welding and the fabrication, high speed, low speed. You guys may be getting tired of it completely, but that's what this channel is about, and that's what I'm about. I'm trying to get everything situated to get started in the spring again, and there's nothing I can do up here with the ground as wet as it is, so just trying to take care of some of these projects and all the new stuff I've bought. I can't afford to buy, you know, stuff that's ready to go right off the bat, so I have to buy stuff that needs work, and this is what it entails. But hopefully you guys will continue to follow along with me, and I know that when summertime gets here, it'll be a whole lot better. So thank you all for watching. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Thumbs up if you like what you see. Share the video with anybody you feel comfortable with. It does help out. Just let me know. Give me some feedback. Y'all usually do about these welding and fabrication videos. If it's just something that needs to pass by, you know, not a huge deal. I don't want to bore anybody or run anybody off by no means. I mean, I'm going to do what I'm going to do regardless. But if you guys want to tag along, let me know. So, till next time, thank you.